friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. In today's video we are going to do a thrift and style video. It's actually going to be a little bit different as we are not buying these things, but I am going to show you how you can style them in your home. Again, we're not picking up a lot of things this year, but it doesn't mean we can't go look. So this video is going to be a little bit different, but let me know if you like this style video, and if so, we'll keep doing these thrifted and style videos where I show you items that I find interesting in the store and how you can style them in your home if you find them in your local stores. So without further ado, let's get into it and leave me your comments down below.
Don't want nobody but you, no matter what we go through. Keeping it between us two, me and you. Can we survive the distance? Don't know what we're missing, but there is a space between us. I know healing ain't instant, but can we survive the distance? Lifetimes are going like years away. More it will grow the more we delay. I'm just hoping it isn't too late. What can I do? Sorry if it's a little cliche. I know we're supposed to live in the gray. Leave it to chance or leave it to fate, but I'm missing you. Pull me in closer. Can we start over? Don't want nobody but you. Keeping it between us two. No matter what we go through, I stay true. But can we survive the distance? Don't know what we're missing, but there is a space between us. And I know healing ain't instant, but can we survive the distance? I'm jealous of your left side neck tattoo, cause it means so much to you, and it won't ever remove. I'm jealous of your day one cousins too, cause they knew you from the womb and know all that you've been through. I'm jealous of the way the sun gets to shine on you. I'm jealous of the way the moon spends its nights watching you snoozing.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in the way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. She can make all feel proud. Get it wrong, it's always right. Making the plate, being the plate, she is unruly. Never seen it like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in the way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, 'cause these are dreams.
I saw this vase and I thought it would be the perfect upcycle to DIY to give it a little vintage look, but they wanted $15.99. No, I'm not paying $15.99 for an old vase from the Goodwill. I did like this vase. I love the texture, but it was a little small, so I did go ahead and leave it. This one had potential. It is small, but I think I can work with it, so I am going to go ahead and put it in my cart. I think we can do a really nice upcycle with this and make a really, really nice floral arrangement. I always like to look at the florals when I'm thrifting. Sometimes they're like really, really dirty. Other times though, you can find some gems. I debated getting this one because I was planning to deconstruct it, but I did lay that behind as well. I saw this and I'm thinking, is this a vase? What is this? Why is this metal piece in the middle? So I took it out and I guess it really could be a vase, although not one that you could put water in because there were holes in the bottom. I still don't know what that little tin piece is in the middle. If you know, leave me a comment down below, but I thought this would be a good vase to upcycle. It reminded me of a similar piece that I saw at our house that was around $350. This one was only, I think it was $4.99 if I'm not mistaken, and it was a little bit bigger than this brown one, so I did decide to go ahead and put that one back and pick up the green one with a glaze instead. This next Goodwill had a lot of things from Hobby Lobby, from their spring shop, that were really inexpensive that I thought about getting, but again, I'm not bringing in anything that I'm not going to use. So even though I love them, I did go ahead and leave them in the store. This carafe and the drinking glasses reminded me of something that you might find at West Elm. Very, very nice. I saw these really pretty candle holders. And guys, look, they have like the little twist to them, and the little twist is very popular right now. I did a Google Lens search on these, and people are selling these. These apparently are vintage candle holders, and people are selling these for a whole lot more than what I pay for them. They were $1.99 a piece. So I had these in my cart, and I was like, do I need these? No, I don't. So I put them back. And then I kept thinking, well, they were selling on, I think it was eBay or Cherish. Somebody was selling them for $40. Another one was selling them for $22. And for $4, guys, I'm thinking, no, I don't need you, but you're cute. And I can see these being used, you know, year round and for holidays. So at $4, I did not think that was a bad price at all. So I did go ahead and pick these up as well. And then the last thing that I picked up, so we're at $12 now. So the last thing I picked up for my $20 thrift store challenge, which put us a little bit over, is this magnolia wreath. Look how nice this is. So this again reminded me of something that you might find at Pottery Barn or at Front Gate. And it was just $7.99. And you guys know I am doing a refresh of my front porch, and I thought this would be really nice. So normally I don't hang a wreath because the birds will get into it, but since we're later into the summer season, the birds are not as bad as they were, especially for spring. They were really bad, like just swooping around, and they always like to get in the wreath. So I haven't been able to put out a wreath in a minute. So when I saw this one, I thought it was perfect. I love the magnolia leaves. I love the magnolia flowers. Again, very similar to something that you might find at Pottery Barn, and for just $7.99, I couldn't leave it behind. So we are just slightly over, like I said. So those are the items that we picked up for our $20 thrift store challenge, and I think we did a really good job. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my thrift store finds. I love them all. Everything, really, I absolutely love. I can't name one favorite thing. If I had to name a favorite, it would be the wreath and the mercury glass Christmas tree. So yeah, I think we did really good for $20. There were some other things in the thrift store that were really pricey, but sometimes you can look up and you can get some good deals. So I just need to clean up these items, and then I think we're gonna go ahead and decorate my front porch with a wreath. And I already had a rug that I got to refresh the space, so we're good. We're just gonna go ahead and refresh that, and I'll show you how that looks. All right, so I have this plastic wreath hanger that I picked up from the Dollar Tree many years ago. So we're going to use that to hang our wreath. All right, so this is how the wreath is looking on the door. Absolutely love it. Yes, it's still summer, so it's appropriate, I think. And then we can always add some pine cones to it later on, because there is one on Pottery Barn that is magnolia with pine cones that would be perfect for fall. So absolutely love that. All right, so this is how the wreath is looking on the front door. Very nice. I think I still want to get something to layer over top of this. I need to clean these lanterns. I need to spray wash. I actually would need to retouch the paint on the door, but we're not doing all that today. But this is how it looks, guys. I love it, and I hope you do as well. Again, very similar to Pottery Barn. And for fall, we can add some pine cones and give it that fall look, but absolutely love it. All right, guys, so that wraps up today's video. I am very pleased with all of the items that we picked up for our $20 thrift store challenge. I think we did really well. If you enjoyed today's video and it has inspired you, please make sure to give the video a big thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, I would so appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. I have lots of budget-friendly, budget luxury home decorating inspiration coming your way that you don't want to miss. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what was your favorite item from this $20 thrift store challenge. If you do not thrift, let me know in the comments down below if today's video has changed your mind about going thrifting. Guys, you can save lots of money to make your home look and feel fabulous and expensive. You don't have to spend all that money. Like, the items that we got are very similar to Pottery Barn, and we paid a fraction of the price. So if you enjoyed today's video and you want to save money, this is the channel for you. Make sure you subscribe. And with that, my friends, make sure you share the video with your friends and family. And with that, my friends, I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye, guys.
You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 I just can't stop thinking about you.